concerned, the ECG does periodic announcements when these challenges occur. And I recall directing them to intensify the announcements. What we intend to do is to move a notch further. We should be able to have a customer database with their telephone numbers of all these areas, such that beyond announcing on in the newspapers and on the radio stations, we can send messages to affected customers so that they'll be aware of the challenges. And so I take my honorable colleague's suggestion in very good faith. It's a laudable suggestion. We'll continue to intensify education. And as Minister, Mr. Speaker, as Minister for Energy and Green Transition, and Mr. Speaker, you know that it was Ministry of Energy. Now, I'm not just Minister of Energy, I'm Minister of Energy and Green Transition. So we would work very hard to ensure that we transition into an era of communication technology to address these challenges.